Welcome to our YouTube channel, Best English Trainer. In this video, we'll be discussing 3 important questions pertaining to the topic called as articles. Let's look into the first question. The police asked us about our movements on a night of crime. Now for this question, we need to find where the mistake is. So generally, in the option C, on a night of crime, Now, do you think the crimes would take place daily or especially on certain specific days and all? Especially it takes on some days. It does not take regularly. And also, these people who are walking on the road, on that particular day they were walking and the crime took place. And the police were asking regarding that particular day night what happened. Not all the day, all the time and all days or nights. They were asking that particular night. So that particular night they were asking. So let's make it as the. The police asked us about our movements on the night of crime. So the is right because the is specific. The specific night when the crime took place. So don't use a or an over there, but try to use the. So finally, where is the mistake? Option C has the mistake. See the second question. Deva became a heir to the throne of Kansar at a young age of 13. Now just look into the first option A. Deva became a heir. So we have heir. So heir is altogether the person who would become the king or the princess. Now Deva became a heir. So shall we use a or an? Now let's use an here. Why so? Because generally heir is spelling is H-E-I-R, but pronunciation in English is heir. Heir. Why so? Because H is silent. Heir. So here heir we are having E over there, that means you need to write it as an heir. Or else in Hindi, generally if any word is starting from A to aha, then what we will do is that we will use an before that word. And in the same fashion, if any word is starting with A to aha, then we'll be using an again there. So what we should do? Whenever you see a word, try to write down that word in Telugu language or Hindi language. If you write in Hindi, if it is starting from A to aha, and if it is starting from A to aha in Telugu, then also we can write all together and over there. Okay. What is the option we have? Option A has the mistake. So option A. Now see the third question. The Ganges is for North India. What Krishna is for South India? So generally the Ganges. So before the rivers, we generally use the. So because rivers are the holy areas, so we are using the. The Ganges is for North India. What Krishna is for South India? Now, do you think Krishna is a river? Yes, Krishna is a river. Now, shall we add the in front of this? Yes, let's add the. Krishna, K has been written in small letter. Shall we write it in small letter? No, it should be in capital letter. The Krishna is for South India is right answer over there finally. So, where is the mistake? Option C has the mistake. That's altogether third one. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, Best English Trainer. And if you want to listen the same content in Telugu language, you can subscribe to my other channel, Top English Trainer, where entire grammar videos will be uploaded over there. Thank you.